It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.
Hello, hello. Can you hear me well? Let's enjoy some more music and then we'll start. Just having a look at the schedule for today. You know, obviously the game night. We had 3 players. Wait, that's still too loud for me. Yeah, we had 3 players at the beginning of the month. Now, well, the month has been busy for me. And well, final match of the month is today. So 2 matches for March. Still, not too bad. Not too bad for that kind of stream, you know? We are doing alright. So what's missing here in terms of sources? Why? Oh, wait. Scene in progress. Why is this not showing up? Let's debug this. What? Properties. Is it not getting the song? Something like this. Reset transform. What's going on? Huh. I tested it last night and it was working, but it doesn't like to work on stream, I suppose. Okay, let's do something. Let's do this. Yeah, there it's working. Why is it not working here? Ah, there. Okay, where's my background now? Doesn't want to give me my background. Come on. Seriously. Yeah. Okay, now you're happy. Somehow. Okay, transform. Oops. Transform center horizontally. Well, I'm gonna move it to the height I want it at. And then transform center horizontally. Yeah, that works. Well, transition to that. Oh, no, I don't want this scroll thingy. Why is it there? Body. Overflow. Hidden. Something like this. Hey Strands, how's it going? Thanks for trying to trick me. I saw you. How was the day? What's up? Debugging my apps, my overlays from Twitch, and that's about it. Waiting for people to trickle in. We have quite a schedule today. Broken overlay, well, I don't know, caching issues, weird stuff happening, worked perfectly last night. Tonight, had to shake it up a little bit, but now it's working. Yeah, so tonight I have an announcement. Actually, I have two. Should remember the other one. The friend of a friend is looking for a job as a data scientist. I'm gonna give a little bit more details there. But in case you know any companies hiring for data scientists and people who work in machine learning, just let me know. By the way, I suspect the music is too loud. Just let me know. If you can't hear me, well, you'll tell me, right? A little bit louder than you. Okay, yeah, we can transition into something more manageable now. I can actually get that stream started, I suppose. And I can lower the volume as well. Yeah, so here's the current setup now that I have. I bought an extra screen, but turns out I found no good way of extending that old laptop with like a second external screen. So what I'm doing is I'm using both laptops, and one is being remote connected to, how do we say that? Well, I'm remoting to the second laptop, right? And there I have things I might not want to show on stream, but I can still have access to it. And well, that's working fine for now. And when I don't want to control these, then I can just minimize the remote desktop thingy, right? That's pretty nice. It's a weird setup. What's wrong with the dual monitor setup? What do you mean? The laptop and an extra screen? If you're asking about that, it's this. I need one more screen. That's what I found out. And the screen on the laptop is so much smaller than the screen that I would have to get it too close to me or something like that for it to be as comfortable as the external screen. So yeah. And I'm also planning to get another computer, cross fingers, which would support at least 2, I think up to 3 external monitors, but it's going to be a box, right? It's not going to be a laptop, but it could support up to 3 screens, which would be great. But yeah, having 2 screens there would be already super useful. 2 large, like, well, large 27-inch screens is what I'm comfortable with now, and I would like to keep it that way. Yeah. But if I could honestly disable the laptop screen and have 2 screens, it would be ideal, but that, again, that device won't support it. So, but yeah, it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun remoting your own computer, to be honest. Yeah. So how was the day on your end? Okay. Let's have a look at something before I check this announcement in details. What was it? Yeah, let me check on my second computer. Got a message from François there. So I can copy from one computer and paste it there. It was fine, just a little hectic. Pronunciation. Hectic at the start. Alright. Cool. Still got work for you, by the way. Still got work for you, work that your other partner cannot handle. I think it's the most technical aspect of stuff. Just let me know if you need more time for that. Yeah. Anyways, let's enjoy the stream for now. Yeah, earlier today I got a message from an ex-colleague who told me about this. He's a React.js developer, but he has a friend who started this, so it's like it's Friends Day on stream here. So Vue developers, I thought I saw something like that before. I think it was a course and then a platform, something like that. But here it's probably not that. So it's vue-developers.com job market for Vue.js. I think there's Vue jobs, I think. Vue jobs, something like this. Never got a job from there. But you know, oh, that one is light theme. -points for you. Let's refresh it and see if it looks better. I've activated the dark reader, so some layouts are broken, of course. So many banners. Oh, okay, it's directly linked to viewschool.io, I think. Okay. Job board for Vue.js ecosystem. I don't know. So that's something that already exists. But today we're having a look at vue-developers.com. Reverse job board for Vue.js developers. Okay. Vue developers connects Vue.js rockstars with their dream jobs. Wait, Vue developers connects. Oh, Vue.js rockstars. Okay, Vue developers, the platform, connects Vue.js rockstars with their dream job, and helps companies discover their perfect match. Okay, I need to lower the sound even more. Okay, that's muted. Okay. So the perfect match. Okay. We're gonna have a look at the developers. Our latest developers. A guy from India, France, Germany, France. I think the developer of this platform is French. Pretty sure. So you can write in any language you want. Most people are going to write in English. Look at this difference though. $30 a day. $600 a day. But so this developer has like understanding of Vue.js and the frameworks around there. This guy knows about capacitor. What is capacitor? That's interesting. Well, yeah, capacitor JS, something like that. Cross-platform apps. Interesting. Where is your doc theme? I'm streaming, bro. Okay, doc reader. Never mind. A cross-platform native runtime for web apps. Capacitor is an open-source native runtime for building web-native apps. Create cross-platform iOS, Android, and progressive web apps with JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. Oh yeah, good old Cordova. But how good is it? Drop capacitor in an existing. Okay, I've never trusted these in general, but we could try. Install the native target platforms. Okay, so I could try that technically for my games and see where that goes. Access core native APIs or extend with your own. Okay. Yeah, I don't need these. Build cross-platform, ship cross-platform mobile X. Okay. I don't need all this. I need to see how you build UIs with these. I'm digressing a lot, I know, but don't worry. We're good. Environment setup, installing, building your UI. Ah, okay. Ionic framework. Okay, I see. Tailwind CSS. Okay, give me a second. I need to check this Spotify playlist. Is it still from... Is it still from that DMCA free trap whatever playlist? Okay. Because of the voice and all of that. I don't what? I missed the info. You told me about I don't, but I don't what? Framework 7. Okay, so you have options. Ionic. Okay. Getting started. You just build whatever you want for the UI, then integrate capacitor on top. Okay, yeah. So that's the whole idea. That's interesting. Web to native. Okay, integration and iOS. Okay. Oh, migrate from Cordova framework features. Well, we'll see. We can potentially explore that someday. Okay. Yeah, $600 a day. I guess he's going to be hired mostly by companies in Paris, in the region, and in Europe most likely. I have an engineer, founder, and maker who doesn't have a rate. 350 a day. Yeah, okay. Vue.js and Nest.js developer. Okay, like full stack, plain Vue.js apps and Nest.js. Actually, I could be like some sort of full stack developer. Really not advanced on the back end, but with WebSockets and all on Nuxt.js, well, coming to Nitro.js and hence Nuxt.js, I will rebuild most of my apps with just one single project, one Nuxt.js project. And I'm gonna practice a bit more of building full stack apps with Nuxt.js. Pretty exciting. And well, I'm gonna talk about that during the presentation, I suppose. Nuxt Vue lover, yeah. So he's a passionate developer. He creates solutions, unique solutions with, I don't know how to translate that. I guess discipline and enthusiasm, something like that. As a creative developer, okay. Oh, then you have like all this. Okay. Yeah, mid-level, senior, remote, yeah, freelance. That would be my profile. So I should definitely create my profile there. Let's see, freelance. Why can't I buy your access? Okay. Oh yeah, well, that makes sense. Pricing. Developer, it's free. 4 spot left at this price. Oh, launch price, okay. I see, interesting. Well, let's see if we can create a profile real quick. Just to be sure. Developers. Well, maybe I'm gonna do that one off screen. Rotate. This one. Create. Your account has been created. Yeah. Let's check your email. Okay. Off screen again. We're doing good. Where is my mail? Not there yet. You developers. Yeah, it hasn't reached yet. Interesting. Spam? No. Got nothing in spam. Has it been sent? Did I mistype my email somehow? I don't think so. Oh, no, I think I mistyped it. Wait. Yeah, I should add a plus. That's why. Create account. Yeah, save. Not now, sign in. Just give me a few more seconds. Email not confirmed. So now I should, yeah, now I've got it. Confirm. Welcome back. Okay. Yeah. Why isn't displayed on view? Okay, yeah, I have time to, yeah. Like this. UTS developer. Nah, that's then developer. UGS. Next.js. Something like this. Right. I don't think it's important to specify tailwind and all that. Choose. Well, no, not for now. Oh, well, yeah, maybe. Let's see. Let's see. The good old. Be creative. You can use Markdown. Huh. Let's go LinkedIn. I think that's still the link. Let's just have a decent thing so far. Reminder, if you're joining now, a friend of a friend sent me this viewdevelopers.com. I think it's a Frenchie who did that. It's looking really cool. I'm gonna create my profile, maybe curate it. But yeah. Yeah, that will do for now. That will do for now. Yeah, you want the Z syntax. Skills. What? View 2 to 3, okay. View 3. Great. View 3. So, view. I guess tailwind. Yeah, CSS. I have a little bit of directors, but I don't know if I should put that there. Mongo, a little bit. PWA somehow. Pinia, I'm working on it. I would love to put playwright someday. Super bass, hey, nice. I'm not gonna put that. Strands. Not WordPress, sorry. Okay. Not WordPress. Okay, that's enough for now. It's not a great profile yet. Socials, I'm just going to put LinkedIn now. Oh yeah, yeah, my GitHub is not great yet. Set. Nope. There. My website, please help. Yeah, we can do with that. New research page. Freelance contract. What would it be? If I do like a 30 USD hourly and I want to work like 7 hours max, that's 210. I'm going to say like maybe 250. What's like 250 times 22? Yeah, that's really good. Especially when you're in Mauritius and all that. Are you open to employment? Nope. Remote, on-site? Nope. Mid-level and senior. I mean, it's really light in terms of info. It's not overwhelming like the other sites, so I really like it. I hope this works well. I mean, like, good job so far building this. I like the alerts with the You know, I like this. Well, obviously it's gonna freeze now. Oh, when you hover over it, it freezes. That's nice. Maybe it's Nuxt UI. Let's digress even more. Nuxt UI. So this one is free. You can use it. I haven't discovered it yet. And there's a pro version which you can buy. It's a little expensive if you're just playing around. I would recommend you get familiar with Nuxt UI and play around with it. And then when you know you're gonna get an interesting project to work on and you would want to invest, then you can buy this. As a solo developer, 250, else 1,000 as a team, up to 20 developers. So that's super interesting when you have a team. The pricing is amazing, I think. 250 USD to MUR. What's that? I mean, yeah, depends on how many projects you can get with that. It could be really interesting. So unlimited projects, access to the GitHub repository, unlimited minor and batch updates, lifetime access. Prioritize feature request. Oh yeah, you can request features. Okay, interesting. You can buy the Figma kit. Interesting. Loading. Let's go. Let's see. Yeah, okay. I mean, it's quite nice. The thing is, you won't like use this Figma and then try to rebuild it through CSS, right? It's for you to move the elements around and then you use the components themselves from the UI kit. That's my understanding. Next UI Pro Starter. Build your landing in seconds. Nice. Yeah, I like it. I don't know what I'm going to build, but I would be pretty excited to use these because this is annoying to me to build these and they're standard. So yeah, there are other options, right? But this one seems to be a good one. Right, okay. So that's like 350 in total, but you can recover your cost. I don't have yet enough client to call myself like a solo developer, and it would be worth it purchasing that as a solo developer, but hopefully this year. That would be a great goal. Yeah, so definitely this is most likely built with that, right? At least, like, maybe not the Pro, but this already is enough. So yeah, very cool, very cool. So thanks to Francois for recommending this, and we will see in the coming days where it goes. Whoa, yeah, the white is still neat. Few more seconds and I get back to the dark theme. Hey, wow. Gosh, it's actually live. It's actually live. Damn. I like it. So maybe I need to clean that up. Okay, let's spend a little bit more time there. Your profile. A few seconds more. Bear with me. General. Uh, 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 uh. Is it like, is the selection? I don't know how it works. Because the selection is not ideal there. You tailwind. I want to select next. I'm decent at next now. Reload that. Yeah, well, I can put it in the text, I guess. Freelance remote and all that. Okay, enough of that. Good. So, Thursday, add it to your calendars. We have a meetup on this channel. Let me log in. The redirect works now. Nicely done, son. So, you log in, you get redirected to the page you were on. Very cool. I guess we won't have the QR code for this one. We won't have verification, but please register. The seats, well, the seats limit is set to 100, but really it's unlimited. Let's try to crash Twitch, I guess. Guys, just register and then you can join and all that. Maybe we'll try to add some custom code to add the link. If you're not registered, well, if you're watching publicly, you don't have a Twitch account, please have a Twitch account, create one so that you can interact in the chat with us. That'd be great. But yeah, see you there. See you Thursday. Okay, quick announcement. I got in touch with that person via a friend, so it's like a friend of a friend. Hello Silic, thanks for helping me out. I'm seeking a job in the field of data science and machine learning and have 6 years of experience as a data scientist already, which includes 4 years at company X, right? Not gonna cite the company. And I'm looking for the same any other firm here in Mauritius. So we're looking for an on-site job, employment in data science and machine learning. If you have any of that, or if you've heard of any openings at any company for these roles in Mauritius, please let me know. You can reach out to me via Twitter, directly on Twitch, on the Discord if you have joined there. Let's help that person find a job in Mauritius. That person who wants to switch from their company to another one. All right, that was the announcement, that and the Vue developers. Really cool, really cool. Let's talk a bit about the testing tool. You see that we have viewers, but people are being shy. They're not saying hi or anything. So I'm gonna wait for you guys. What I can do is, oh, whoops, not on that computer, on this computer, which, well, let's do things. Yeah. Switch things. Chat vote. Squeeze that in like this. Okay, we're good. I'm gonna do start. Oops. Start vote. Game night. 25th, 25th, yeah, 25th. Themes, I guess. Right, so I ran a command through the chat. Only I can run that command. And it's labeled here. So what you have to do is, let me open Manager to get the chat. So you get in your chat, you do vote, and then whichever theme you want to specify, right? You just do that, hit enter, and it will appear here. Aerial theme, just a test. You do that, and at some point we're going to start playing the game. We need obviously at least 2 players. Right. Okay. So I can close this, keep that one open. Let's see the project now. Let's go back to Twitch things, I guess. The Q&A tool. It has these different options. The hosted version doesn't work for the mod yet. Still unstable, so I'm mostly redirecting the super base to the local host. Right, so let me run this to Twitch things, right? Dev. Dev tools, okay, Daisy UI loading now, good. Let's do the whole process again. Moderator. Okay, this was while I was running the code and modifying the code, and well, yeah, we had multiple instances. Table editor. So once the code is stable and it's running publicly, we won't have those duplicates essentially. This to this, delete, bye bye. Okay, it's running, so I can put that down there, that too. Right, and you see it's been live updated. That's neat. What I've changed is that we now have the notion of a session. So if I close this, no current session found. Yeah, but it didn't refresh properly. That's a shame. But now if I refresh, no current session found, hence no question. Yeah, okay. Twitch practice session. It's been created. Yes, no questions found. Okay, that makes sense. Now I'm gonna go check the chat. I'm going to create a question with exclamation mark Q for the question command. Hey Twitch, how's it going? Oh, interesting. Yeah, oh, it's the whole project, so wow, I should filter that out. Interesting. I haven't tested it with yeah, okay. Oh, I have to start the vote again. My bad. Forgot how that thing works. Ah. This is one app, this is another app, but it's the same database and the same real-time thing. Needs a little bit more love, but yeah. So that's a question. I can put another question. No, another question, right? No, like that, right? And it shows here, right? But the hosted version, so the speed at which it popped up is interesting. If it doesn't have like many more processors here it's interesting because this is hosted in the US, I would say. It's hosted on Netlify, right? And this is local here, but the Superbase is in Singapore. But I guess Singapore is closer to the US in terms of internet networking and stuff. Very technical term, and stuff, right? Anyways, the two questions are there. We're all good. I can add another one. Could that be my last question for this session? It's on its way. Oh, yeah, no, it's not, because I had the wrong command. Yeah. It's Q, not A. Oh, okay. Okay. Skill issue. Something like that. Okay, we have 3 questions. I think that's enough for us. If I open switch things slash Q&A slash public, but now you see nothing. It's not supposed to be that crammed in, but like something like this at least. Here in the public screen you see nothing. That's normal because there the questions have been submitted, they haven't been approved, so they shouldn't be shown to anyone basically. So I'm going to approve this one. So you see the layout changes, you see that it appears live here, which is good. Okay. But now, let's say we're on the overlay now. So I'm going to change the UI here. I'm going to get back there, just so we don't get confused between the overlay and what's actually on screen. So that's the overlay. Wait, I should refresh it probably. Where is it? Current question, refresh. It's stuck on the previous one. Yeah, so yeah, not great. It's not a lot of space for this indicator, but all right. There's no question being displayed on the overlay right now. Like, well, you won't see my mouse, but like you see just below my mouse, there's like an overlay, a black overlay. That's not actually on screen, that's the, well, the overlay. Okay, right. Now, I'm going to go back to there, to mod, right? And I'm going to, first, I'm going to approve this one too. So we have two questions approved. Right. Now, check the overlay. right? Check the overlay. It's going to change. I'm going to select that. Now it changes. I know the layout isn't good. The layout isn't good, but it works. The real-time pod works. We have a system for live questions for selection. So I'm looking for a moderator that would select the questions. By the way, here I have a bug because the approved question just went away. If I deselect it, it's gone from the overlay and it's back here. We could say like we could remove it or we could keep it. I don't know. I'm not sure. Yeah. My bad. I was checking something on my phone. Got a notification from work. We'll check it. I'll check it another time without you guys. Alright. So you can also, obviously, you can select one. If you click the other one now, this is fixed. It swaps them, and the previous ones, well, the previous one that was selected is deselected. So that's good. Yeah, so that's about it. That's what we will use. Thursday. We would use that Thursday. And I would like someone from the chat, someone from the Discord or wherever to volunteer, and I will create their account. So they would be mods and they would be selecting and approving, whitelisting the questions and all that. Because I can also reject a question. And if it's rejected, well, it's not gonna appear anywhere. I shouldn't have the option to select it. Yeah, I should remove that. Yeah. But yeah, the overlay works, basically. Let's go back to in progress. Let's lock that. Okay, we're good. Well, yeah, that's the tool. Looking for volunteers, and we should have fun Thursday. All right. Now I do have a talk. WebSockets in Nitro. Well, Nitro.js. Let's go to Excalibur and, well, yeah, some of the planning for the overlay thingy, the question management. Let's find a spot there. No, let's have some text. Okay. Current state of trivia games. Right. The current state is I have front end in Nuxt, right? And then I have a back end. Express Justify, something like that. And that would be placed at Railway, let's say. And this would be hosted at Netlify. Okay. So I need this. Like that. Okay. How do you move? Send to back, control shift. Okay. That would be green like this. No, but it's actually purple or something. Yeah, railway is purple. Like that. Yeah. Netlify is kind of blue. Yeah, it's greenish as well. Oh, no, as well. We don't have anything green. But not that green. Maybe that's closer. Yeah, I guess that's closer. So you two would be greenish. Okay, yeah. I used to have this, right? 1 second. Okay, back to you guys. Yeah. So the current state is this, right? And they communicate. Like this. Yeah. Color is just like this. So that's what I currently have. Oh, I can't resize that. Sorry, I'm getting triggered by this. Okay. This is what we currently have for the games. And then for the platform, it's even more because everything is wrapped and it has a railway and all that. But for a game, we need at least that. Here comes the future of trivia games on this platform. We take this, put it there, and it's full stack. Proudly Next.js. Proudly. And this is simply amazing. I mean, I know you can build projects with REST calls and all that, like that already, but I don't have that. I have I have WebSockets, so I can't do that just yet. But it's in Nightly, and I have been playing around with it, so we could have a look at the code. 1 second. I'm trying to have the guy who's looking for a job, I'm trying to have it on stream. Okay, so he has an account. Hey, ShrewJ741, hello. Yeah, glad to have you here. Wait, I need to open the manager. Did I close it on this computer? I think I closed it. Wait, can I just pop out the chat? Well, yeah, never mind. But yeah, hi to you. Thanks for joining. Thanks for saying hi. Can I just call you Shrew? Shrew, if you can just post again a message, I can pin it for like 20 minutes and everyone will see it when they join the chat. Because I made the announcement, I read the message, and I asked for people to, you know, if they know someone, if they know someone looking for a data scientist or a person that does machine learning work, it'd be great. By the way, I could check with you actually what you think about, well, is that within your skill sets? First, have you seen The Big Bang Theory? Guys, I'm actually announcing a very silly game, like a very overkill stuff that we will build this year on the channel. Maybe Shrew can help us. So Shrew, have you seen, or maybe you're writing your message about the hiring, of course, so you haven't seen The Big Bang Theory? Seriously? It's like a sitcom with nerds in there, so it's like our our version of Friends. But yeah, so in that game there are really fans of Star Trek, right, and Spock and all that, and they're really nerds, and they're kind of creative. So yeah, let me go back there. Yeah, so they created the game. I'm more of a Friends and Office man. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, Friends, I think Friends is the best, but this one is really good as well, right? By the way, if you say like, how dare you, how can you say Friends is better than The Big Bang Theory? I've watched both. If you're saying that Friends is not better than any other sitcoms, I think that's the term, right? Sitcoms. If you're saying that Friends is not the best, you just haven't watched Friends. End of discussion, really. But yeah, Alex, hey, how's it going? Is the conference over? Is the conference over, or are you like on a break or something? How's it going? Is it like what was it, KubeCon, something like that? Great, KubeCon ended on Friday. I'm still in France. Alright, cool. Nah, Office is best. Sorry, Shrew, you're losing point. You're losing 1 minute on your pinned message. By the way, I'm serious. Write a short message, maybe like the one you wrote to me for the job you're looking for, and I'll pin it in the chat. Alex, we have Shrew in the chat. He's looking for job as a data scientist / machine learning specialist, right? And Alex, I was announcing a game, well, sort of a game app that we're going to build on the channel this year. I don't know exactly when. Maybe members of the community could build the different pieces and I can put it together at some point. So Alex, have you watched The Big Bang Theory? First question. Oh cool, I don't know anyone who's hiring though. Yeah, no worries, but if you ever hear anything, you can let them know that Shrew is around. part of it. Oh, okay, okay. Am I too old or are you too young? Wait, you watched it on TV, like in French? Maybe that's why. I did start watching it in French, but watch it in English is better. Yeah, anyways, so I'm gonna tell you guys. We all know about rock, paper, scissors, right? Rock, paper, scissors. Good. No, in English. I don't do French media. Alright, alright. Cool. So we all know rock, paper, scissors. Good. In the game... Well, sorry. In the sitcom, in The Big Bang Theory, they created like a superset of that game. They created rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock. Right, yeah, Spock. Like that. Right. It's really fun. When I started programming, I think I was doing like action script stuff at the time. Yeah, I'm familiar. It's yeah. I did build it. I did build like an app that you would click to pick your choice, right? But now it's 2024. There's machine learning with image recognition and all of that. So, Shrew, before I get to your message, is it within your skills to build maybe something in Python, or even better, something that could run in WebAssembly, that could run front end? A little piece of code that would do image recognition on rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock, right? If we can have that, that would be amazing. We could play games, and we could even use that if we have games or we have situations where we need to decide who starts, but it's in a virtual environment and all that. With latency and all that, maybe people can cheat, but if it's detected locally and it's locked in as soon as one option is recognized, it could be fair. Or it could also be fun to have it even like at the conference or at a meetup. We could just use it because we're nerds. Keep in mind, Alex was there, right? True. We did a meetup in December at the beach. We were all in the same physical location, and we had everyone on their laptops watching like a video conference of the presentation. Like there was a speaker, and the speaker was sharing their screen to everyone, and that's how we managed to have a meetup without a projector or a big screen or whatever. It was nuts. And thanks again to Ish for setting up some kind of local server, like physically in Mauritius, so that we could have like a very good connection there. Yeah, that should be fairly straightforward. Application of some convolution-based neural network. Yeah, the software part is the one where we'd need some learning to do. All right, but if you ever have some time on your hands, let's maybe talk in private, or you can join the Discord. Wait, let me. You can join the Discord through that link, and we can talk there. We can exchange with different people from the server there. But yeah, if you could maybe build that part, and we could start testing it, and as time goes by, we could have an app that we could use. So basically, we use Jitsi Meet to share the slides images while we look at the speaker live. Yeah, exactly. So hybrid experience. Yeah, lovely. All right, let's get to your message. Let's pin it. Yeah, it's going to be pinned for 20 minutes. So thanks a lot for hanging out. Seeking a job in the field of data science and machine learning. Yeah, I have 6 years of experience, and yeah, experience as a data scientist, which already includes 4 years at that company, and looking for the same at any other firm here in Mauritius. My contact is alright, in case anyone can help out. Very good. Also, yeah, when you join the Discord, when you present yourself, please let them know that you're looking for a job. You can pretty much inform people about this. I forgot to inform you, so that's on me, so no worries. But when you're posting messages on the chat, maybe let's not mention companies directly, because this is going to be on YouTube and all that, and maybe they're not at ease with that part. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, overall the message is good, it's pinned, and people will see it. Very good. So your message is pinned, like, yeah, everyone sees it. Very cool, very cool. Yeah, we talk about that idea on the Discord. It would be fun. I don't know where we would use it, like if it would be useful in whichever case, but as soon as we have the engine for that, the UI I think is pretty easy to build, right? So Shrew, do you do any Python? Of course, my pleasure. You're a friend of a friend, so you're most welcome here. So tell us a little bit about what you do on a daily basis at work, and what you would prefer to work on. Oh, shame, I wasn't showing the chat at all this time. Yeah, Big Bang Theory, Rock Paper Scissors, Lizard Spock, coming this year on the channel. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, all my coding has been in Python, so maybe someday you could come teach me a little bit about Python. I don't know when. Cool language. Yeah, we have a Python nerd here. Alex, you're a Python nerd. Guys, we have two options. How much time do you have left? Because we have to play a game. True, it's a game that we've built live. Well, part of it was built live here. So it's kind of a tournament, but like no pressure. It's just for fun. Alex played the first match of the month on the 4th, and then we're playing the last match of the month. We just have 2 matches this month because work was busy. So you have time, right? Okay. And Shrew, how much time do you have? Right. So actually I was into building recommendation engines. Whoa, okay. And credit scoring modules as well. Yeah, the bank credit scoring modules make sense. But recommendations, is it like for search engines? And Alex, you're pro now. You're one of the top 3 winners, I think, on the channel. So please start voting. Vote for a theme. And that way Shrew will know how to vote as well. Let's do that. So Alex, we're going to play the game first, so that we can have Shrew participating. Vote friends, okay. Like whole of friends. Interesting. Cool. And Shrew, if you have seen what Alex just did, he just did exclamation mark vote and then the theme he wants. Your theme can be multiple words, it can be a phrase and anything. What will happen is I will take those 2 themes and I will give it to an app. The app will contact the GPT API, generate questions on these 2 themes, and will play a real-time multiple choice game. Not really, it was for product recommendation, but the idea could easily be extended for search too. Okay, cool. Let me open the game. So what's the link now? Oh, quiz. Yeah, I hope it's stable. I I need to get it ready for Thursday anyways. I haven't made changes lately, right? So should be okay. Should be okay. We're gonna go with maybe 10 or 20. I don't know. Let's think. So yeah, true. No pressure. Pick a theme. You get some practice, and then you can come have fun almost every Monday night here where we have these games. Worst case, what I can do, I can suggest a theme as well, and we can play with 15 questions. You can play like a quick game. So while you're picking a theme, Shrew, let me clarify the rules. So you play individually. Let's not cheat, let's not Google anything. Anyways, you won't have much time to Google. Pick a theme that you are familiar with and you would think Alex would be much less familiar with, right? So this way you have the advantage on the questions generated based on your theme. So the first person to get the right answer gets 300 points per question, and then the second one gets less points. It's decremental based on the delay between your answer and that person's answer, and it goes like this for everyone playing. True, still with us? Just checking. And Alex, since you have time, after the game, I'm going to discuss a little bit about WebSockets in Nitro.js, which powers the backend for Nux.js apps. All right, we have friends, we have cricket. Give me a second. I'm going to close the vote and make that official. And vote. Let's go. It's closed. Maybe I should change the colors or anything, something like that, to make it like more obvious. But votes closed. And I'm gonna put that, yeah, there. We have the votes there for the record. Okay, so friends, the theme, cricket, and I can add another theme. Python 3, because why not? Okay, 15. There's a bug where it pops up again, I think, but anyways. So we're going to generate the questions. It should be hidden if I still remember how the UI works, and I'm staying there so that you can see how quick it is. Should take up to 30 seconds, really. It's generating 3 sets of 5 questions each, based on the theme, right? So technically we have 3 requests that went to contact the GPT API. So I'm going to move that down now. You've seen the speed of the generation. I'm just going to check the question briefly. Oh, some are super basic. Which, okay, well, let's not read them aloud. that could be useful said. Okay. Okay, interesting. I don't know. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Questions are good. So I'm gonna show the UI a little bit. finalize, right? So that's the UI I see as a game master. If I go back, oops, let's go forward like this. Oh yeah, this one doesn't have like a public screen. Copy the link, I paste it. Yeah, so you're gonna have to copy paste if you want the code to be pre-filled, but essentially the code is 2031 if you just like join through the link, right? So reminder, try to use Google Chrome. That's the ideal browser for this. Firefox can be wonky. Safari I haven't tested. Well, I've heard that Firefox works well here now, but I still recommend Chrome for now. So let's see. Should be fine. Let me know, guys, if you're experiencing any issues. Okay, we have Alex in the game, waiting for you, Shrew. Just send me a message if you're experiencing any issues. By the way, Shrew, are you on a computer or are you on your mobile? Alex, I would like your thoughts on the redesign, well, the re-engineering design, something like that, for the platform. Instead of having this game and all the other games load as an iframe on the site for the platform, I would do redirections between the platform and the game. So essentially you would go from the game night, like you register there, and once the game starts, you're redirected to there, and then based on the mode, right, if this game is being played in platform mode, then once the game is completed you go back to there, right? That makes sense. Oh, you're on mobile. Okay. So once we start, I'm gonna assume you're connected. I'm not going to ask you to type in the chat and all that. We had that option at some point, like the chat integrated, but there were some bugs and all that, and now Chrome, I think, is killing some kind of cookies and all that, so it's not working at all. Oh right, thanks Alex. You're kind of a pro actually, and I forgot about that feature. Yeah, especially when, well, no, it works both on mobile and desktop. It's useful on both of these. Sorry about that. Yeah, you can double click on the answer that you want to submit. Else you can still touch the answer and then click submit. It's fine as well. The advantage of the ladder is, oh, you're up, okay. Yeah, the advantage of the ladder, I mean tapping and then submitting, is that you can make a mistake and correct it before you submit. If you double tap, you're done, it's submitted. Just saying. Okay, so now if I resume the game, so this is a hybrid of the original game, right? Now I can open the public screen. This is the public screen, awaiting first question, etc. Okay, right, and now I have, on my other screen, I have my game master screen, basically. I'm going to ask you, Shrew, and Alex as well to just refresh the page, because I think there's a known bug. I don't know if it's still persisting. Oh wait, we have sun. Oh, and I have a bug here, which is it's not displaying the players for some reason. I think it's a bug. Yeah, look. We have Sun. Hey Sun, how's it going? Sun is in stealth mode. So you folks build this site, as I'm guessing. Yeah, I built it live and they helped me iron out the bugs, or actually find the bugs and fix a lot of them. We still have some, like, we have to refresh the first page. Alex mostly dislikes front end. Yeah, he can't say he totally dislikes building front end because, yeah, I'm a front end developer. He's part of front end coders and all that. But yeah, it's fine if you dislike building it, as long as you enjoy consuming it and as long as we build cool ones. Son, remind me, I should tell you about Vue developers. Oh well, actually we talked about that. Yeah, I actually created my profile. I need to give it some more love there, but it seems like a promising platform. I would like to talk to the guy and understand how he built it and all that. Get some inspiration. Anyways, let's play. Wait, where's my game? I'm gonna call the first question now. Yeah, we're all computer nerds. We'll build stuff. Okay, first question, easy. What is the capital of France? I'm a Kubernetes person. Yeah, he's a specialist. All right, so you see, we're supposed to have the leaderboard at all times. True, but there's been a bug which I have to fix. Actually, into gardening. Yeah, you grow projects in your garden. My hobby is UI. Yeah, but your hobby is paying for your garden, for now, at least. All right. Yeah, true. If you check the public screen, right? We have the leaderboard. It's supposed to stay like that and move around as the point go, like, progress, right? As we progress through the game and the ordering changes. But there's a bug, so it's only showing once we have the answers and all that. But Sun was the fastest. Shrew, you were very quick, like less than 10 milliseconds, maybe something like that. And we have Alex not too far behind as well. So those are your points there. This is what you've scored for the current question, and this is the total. Right, and this was the answer. Okay, next question. So you guys can make immersion Big Bang Theory. Yeah, well, maybe we're not on that level yet, but we could try. Which river flows through Paris? Okay, La Seine. Yes, the river Seine flows through Paris. Apparently, technically it's not really. It shouldn't be named this one because there are two rivers that merge into one, and then the river with the other name puts in more water, so it should be the other river's name. But La Seine, right? French people. Hello, French people. How are you doing? Okay, third question. Yeah, we're not physicists. Yeah. We could build stuff. Okay, what is the national dish of France? Like, yeah. Good work on that, True. Yeah. Coq au vin. I guess it changes based on the dataset that you have. My screen is smaller and I don't have two screens. It's a strategy. I have to scroll to see. Really? Alex, let's take a second. Can you send me a screenshot, or send a screenshot in the Discord? Send a screenshot in the Discord. I want to see. We have UI problems. Oh, you're on your phone, right? I guess. Or you're on the laptop, but I don't know. Yeah, nice. I actually bought wine to make that today. What did you make today? Actually, don't worry, I'm on Firefox, unsupported. Well, okay, alright, but you could still... Oh, you made coq au vin today? Nice. Nice. I guess it was good. You had it already? Oh, it's for tomorrow, my bad, yeah. Okay, you're gonna tell us. Sport the stuff today. Alright, alright. And having like a romantic dinner tomorrow, son? Nice, nice. Very cool. Okay, guys, get ready. Next question. Which French city is known for its wine? I think in Mauritius we can get that one right. Yes, it's Bordeaux. Yeah, we have lots of wines from Bordeaux. Yeah. I don't know the names of any company or whatever. I just know we have lots of wine from Bordeaux. Anyways, final question about France. Yes, romantic dinner with my people. Okay. Spoken like a true nerd, indeed, indeed. What is the tallest mountain in France? Yeah. Mont Blanc, right. Very nice. Shrew, you're leading this game. Very good, by almost 300 points. Alex and Sun are really close. Alright. Next question about cricket. Who has scored the most runs in ODI cricket? Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. Hard for me to pronounce that. Alex, are you a cricket nerd as well? Are you? Maybe you are. I don't know. You know so many things. Apart from front end, it feels like you know everything. Nope. Choose a chicken. Alright. Kavya scored wrong one on cricket law. No, you got it right. True, you got it right. Sun got it wrong, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah, okay. Well, Sun is right in a way, but according to the database, it's not updated yet. So True, what do? Do we try to give Sun more points? You decide. I don't know if this feature is still working, but technically we could... Where is my... Yeah. Technically we could increase the points. I expected the cricket insect was surprised by the sport. It was random. Yeah, your answers were random. So True, maybe we have the option of giving Sun like maybe like 150 points or maybe the whole 300, as you're saying that his answer is accurate. So it should be at 1481. So he has gone... Oh wow, okay, no, I don't have the feature to increase by... It's going to be... So 1481, right? 1481. Yeah. You should have a feature request very soon for these. But hey, it didn't take that much time. Let's update and see. Yeah, it worked. Let's go. A feature rarely used that's not completely broken. Let's go. Okay, I'm super happy. It works well on stream with not a lot of people, but somehow on a Single router with many people, it struggles more, I guess. Okay, next question. Which country won the 2019 Cricket World Cup? I have no idea. Someone hasn't answered yet. England? Really? Oh, yeah. Sorry, I was actually right. Okay, well, too late. We added the point. We could remove them, but it would be a hassle. So, I don't know if everyone answered that. Yes, Simon was bowling. What? Wait, what? What do you mean, son? Virat took over Sachin in centuries? But the question was about total runs. Okay. England. Alright, yeah, the answer was England, but I guess it's the score change broke something. Let's see. Next question. The generic name for... Oh, okay, Simon. Alright, noted. I didn't know that. What is the maximum number of players on a cricket field? 11 per team. Alright. Alright, noted. Duly noted. Shrew is taking off. Sun and Alex are like still like very, very close. Krachak Fek. Bo Fek. Okay, it's too advanced for me. Krachak. That's the sum of my cricket knowledge. Alright, yeah. Mine is virtually zero. I know the name of the sport. And that's it. I should learn someday. Next question. Who has taken the most wickets in the test cricket? And test is a thing apparently. Yeah. So Mutia Muralidharan. Something like that. I don't know, maybe I'm butchering the name. That's why I picked cricket. Yeah, very smart. Actually very smart. Nice pick. Alright. Next question. In which country was the first international cricket match played? Alex, this is fun, yeah. It was USA. No one scored. Alright. USA, really? I didn't even know they were like a cricket nation. Or maybe they were and they're not anymore? I don't know. Next question. Python. Did pronounce it well. Yeah, thanks. Cool. What is the output of print? Well, this. What is the output in Python 3? Okay, the answer is 2. Okay, cool. You have to know. Is it like the equivalent of modulo stuff? I don't know what it does. Cool, man. Yeah, we're here to learn. Yeah, USA never plays. Yeah, they have lots of sports. Which keyboard creates a function? What? Keyword. Wow, I can't read anymore. Okay. Def. Yeah. Creates a function. May I recommend a beeper for the countdown if it helps if I'm tab hopping? Yeah, if you're cheating, yes, maybe not. But yeah, a countdown and music and all that. I'm actually thinking of asking Strands, if you're watching, if you're still doing music stuff, or if you can help me curate like some sound. like some background music for the game, and also some sounds for like the countdown, like the remaining 5 seconds, and like when we have all the answers, like we see the valid answer, and all those events could have their own sound, basically. Well, I mean, between the stream and the quiz tab, yeah. I'm pulling your leg, don't worry, it's fine. But yeah, it's a very good suggestion. You could add that to there's a channel for games, I think, for the game night or something. You can add that there. Yeah, it's a real product. True, we get feature requests, and they're good requests. They make the product better. How do you insert comments in Python? Yeah, it's horrible. It's very practical though. It's really easy to access that character on the keyboard, I must say. Are you back, Alex? Yeah. And keyboard shortcuts like ABC for quickly selecting the answers. Son, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. You can try 1, 2, 3, 4 to select the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then enter. Back in Manchester? No, I'm going to UK tomorrow for holiday. Yeah, man, enjoy. Of course. So, are you visiting London? Yeah, it's not summer there, so I guess. Well, it's still London. I've only been to London during summer. Yeah, you're gonna have a 2-hour interview on the channel next week or something during April, and you tell us all about KubeCon. And not just KubeCon, because maybe it's not doesn't fully match the topic of the channel and all that, but you can tell us about the experience, the conference, the people you have met, how it felt and all that. But not visiting. Sorry, I'm yawning on stream. It's not you, it's me. Just talking and all that makes me so relaxed that I yawn at some point. Anyways, not visiting London, going up north to Newcastle. Right, I haven't been there yet. Where I used to live. Okay, got family there. Oh, nice. Say to the Queen. Son, the Queen is kinda or totally dead. It's the King now. If you're talking about the Queen of England, she's 6 feet under now. Yeah. It happened last year. Yeah. I don't know if you're joking or what, but yeah, she's really dead. She's as dead as Internet Explorer now. Yeah. I didn't register anything wrong with this. Yeah, England has a king. True, Alex is like a super nerd. He knows lots of stuff, including useful things around Linux, Kubernetes, and obviously Docker by extension with regards to Kubernetes, right? Yeah, it's like auto-certified genius. He does stuff that Son and I can't do at our age, and he's like so much younger than we are. Stop that. Keep the appearances. Okay. Wait. You don't know me IRL? As you know me IRL, I'm 20. Yeah. And he speaks very well when he gives talks and all that. And yeah, I saw one of his talks at the beach. It was great. Yeah, of course. A workshop someday, Alex. Docker, Kubernetes, and maybe Linux for data scientists and mere mortals front-end developers. That's why everyone likes exaggerating. No, but seriously, even people like my age, son's age, would I don't know. It's impressive. That's just what we're saying. Zane as well. Yeah, of course, of course, of course. But seriously, we should do something. You should come. Yeah, child prodigy. Well, he's not a child, you know. He's an adult and all that. But yeah, early in the process and well spoken and well versed in his industry. Right, yeah, Alex, before you get like a full-time job, I guess we should have you on the channel and share your good knowledge. I type some kubectl stuff, I command line, and I get called a genius. Exaggeration. You know, Alex, it was like magic to us because we don't work with this stuff. We didn't, our brain didn't evolve in that direction. So yeah, we'll have free Joes in the lightning talks. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna do my best to be there for the lightning talks. It's gonna be cool. I'm 29, so he's kind of a child for me. Okay, yeah, I'm 30. I'm 30, guys. I'm 30. I'm 30. Oops, I'm 30 years old. Like the years old does work there. I'm just very happy that the front-end website ran on the cluster. Live debugging would kind of sucked. Yeah, it does. Generally does. Especially when you have like 20 minutes, 30 minutes for a presentation. It's pretty much timed and all that, and you have to live debug. That's stressful. On stream, like, it's pretty chill, so it's pretty fine. It's okay. I don't mind that much. Of course it ran. I tested it on my own cluster running my bridge. Okay. Yeah. Shrew, by the way, son. By the way, Shrew's son, Mr. Sunshine, is the lead organizer for Front-End Coders meetups. So you should definitely join us. Son, I guess we could take a presentation from a data scientist / machine learning specialist, right? Would be. We had Go presentations and all that, so why not? You know. We had Kubernetes presentation, so yeah, we can. So Shrew, I've heard that at your company on some teams they do have, like, I guess on Fridays or something, they would present a fridge to keep Anton cool. All right. Yeah. Shrew, do you give presentations from time to time at your company? I'm curious about that. And then we have to finish the game. Not you, son. Well, if you do, son, just let me know. But I'm asking Shrew, mainly Shrew, if he already gives presentation at his company. And in any case, you're most welcome, you know, to come give a presentation. I think the next one. Let's check when the next one is. Well, I guess 52. My team, sadly, we did not have any Friday presentation like that, but the idea is good. So are you still working there, or have you left already? No spoilers, enjoy. Yeah. Anton, is Anton the team member, or is Anton one of the projects, son? Oh, we have something not working. Okay. See the homepage. 50% chances that it's just Chrome freaking out. Yeah, it was pretty much Chrome freaking out for nothing. Meetups. Yeah. I give presentation to a lot of business folks, so I'm up for it. Cool. So what you're gonna do is go, wait, let me get to my remote computer. There. Okay. So I left the job. Okay, so you have plenty of time and you need to maximize that. So you can, would you be keen to, if you have any presentation that is ready, I could give you like a 30-minute slot. So like 20 minutes presentation and 10 minutes question and answer. Next Thursday, same time, we have a stream and you talk. I didn't know Shrew is in Mauritius. Yeah, he's in Mauritius. So if you check his message, I'm gonna pin it again for 20 more minutes. Yeah, check the pin message. Yeah. So Shrew, I would recommend you to create an account to frontend.mu, register, and get in touch with me, or you can get in touch with Sun. You can tag him, tag me on my server. We'll send you the invite to the Discord server for front-end coders as well. You're most welcome. I'm sure your presentation would be super interesting, intriguing to our, I guess we have a vast majority of front-end developers, but we have curious engineers as well. Yeah, currently here I have about a month before I have to leave if I don't get a job here. Oh, right. Okay. Yeah, so let's make the most of it. Let's try to make you visible. I guess having the presentation on 27th is a bit late, like you will have to leave before that if you don't find a job, but it would be a great contribution to, well, to the community, to Mauritius and all that, and it would be good for your visibility as well. So if you want to showcase your skills and or showcase your knowledge, most importantly, if you have a presentation, we can have one next Thursday or the Thursday that's coming after that. Make one new, but what topics do you guys want to know, as the field is vast? Feel free to post on job posting channel in front-end MU Discord. Yeah, for sure. Do post there as well. If you could pick one thing that you would want to work on 5 days a week, full-time as a job, if you have one of these, pick that and build a presentation there. Yeah, IT related, of course. Yeah, so either so we wait, March. Yeah. So not this Thursday, because we have a meetup. Yeah, it doesn't need to be a tutorial or anything, just touch on a topic, what is interesting and all that, and then people will come to you for questions and all that. So on the 4th of April or on the 11th of April, that's fine. You can give a presentation. So generally it's like 20 minutes. So here's what we can do. You can build it for the stream, like 20 minutes, 10 minutes, then question and answers from the audience and from me, and we can digress a bit about the topic. So that would be about 30, 35, 40 minutes tops, right, a session, and it would be similar during the meetup. So yeah. And in any case, I do host practice runs. So the meetup is on the 27th, right? So on the 25th, we would have practice runs as well. My streams are recorded. I do post most of them on YouTube, and if you need the video, I can let you have the video if you want to, you know, edit it out and have it in as your content. You can share that with people, share that on your profile and all that. That could be good. Yeah, man, you have the time. I hope it will help you, right? Wait, did I miss some messages? Well, yeah, guys, let's get back to the game. Okay, we have 2 more questions. Do refresh your browsers. I give you some time to refresh your browsers. Is my browser off or something? Yeah. Refresh your browsers and then we can, because maybe the socket died or something like that. We will talk a bit about WebSockets in Nitro in a second, and there's quite a few things to say about that. Okay. So let me open my Game Master game and we resume. Let me refresh that screen to see if all is good. Okay, I'm gonna call the next question now. Python 3 is the topic. Which function converts a string to a float? I guess it's obvious, but I could be wrong. Oh, true. Maybe you've lost connection. Just let us know if you're still around. Send something in the chat, because we have 1 more question and technically Alex could win, I guess. Guys, are you still there? Well, Sun and Alex answered. You could win by 6 points or something like that if Shrew doesn't answer or something. Be slow so I can win 300. No, Shrew. You know, I'm in the game. You're in the game. Okay, so you just didn't know? Time ran out, or you faced a bug or something? Okay, this I can close. This I can keep, I guess. Design engineer. All right. Okay. Final question, and then we get back to the chat and transition into WebSockets for Nitro.js. What does the len function measure? Size of a file, length of a string. Yeah, that was pretty obvious. All right, people, we have a winner. Can we get a maximum of claps? Yeah, you win. It feels like 50% of newcomers get a win. You can redeem channel points, guys. Oh, I should redeem it. Yeah, right. Okay. Still adjusting. I should redeem it here so that you get the sound right, because I did that on the other computer. Yeah, the sound is super low for this, but yeah. Next time, when it's about crickets and insects. Alright. Okay, I'm going to screenshot this. Right. I'm gonna go there. We had the themes. We have the scores. So let's add a column. Number. Fusion. Yeah. So none for here. There you get 100. Alex 90 and Sun 80. Oops. 90, 80, like that. So let's shrink these like this. Okay, and I think we have a winner for the month, but let me delete these two. Calculate sum, right? Do that for all of them. Big suspense. And I need to assign the tiara to you. True. Okay, so Shrew, top 3 for the month. We had 2 games. The winner is Alex, but first, yeah, it's not on that one. It's on the December one. But yeah, creating really biased it for me. Yeah. But you were leading before the crickets, actually. Also, fun fact: those who don't. In fact, for those who don't know Python, the lang does more than just number of characters in a string. It also does number of elements. Ah, right. So I don't know if I like that. It's cool when you know it, but it's confusing when you don't know it yet and it's not super obvious. But interesting. Really just the length of any iterable objects. Oh, so yeah, so it considers a string as an iterable object. That's not confusing at all. Right? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the cash prize is for December. Alright. Tiara at Shrew. You're the winner of tonight. And I hope that works. And for Alex, the winner of the month. You know the drill. I hope I've updated the card. Else it might take time. Okay, we can try this. Just a second. The surprise is coming. Few more seconds. Yay! It worked. But the alerts didn't work, I guess. Oh wait, it's coming. Yay! Yeah, the winner of the month. Yeah, the alerts work. I need to make it pretty now. Right. So the winner of the month gets subscription, gets a sub, right? I like it. I wish another language handles it that way too. String is right. Yeah, it's by definition it's hard. It's like low level stuff. Everything is hard there, even async. But yeah, Alex, you got the title for the month, and you got a free sub. GG's to you. And well, we need to figure out something fun to do with these. But again, you have access to all of the emojis, emotes, my bad. Speaking like an old guy. You have access to all the emotes again. So when we're going to raid someone, you're gonna have access to this one. When we raid someone on that person channel, you can pick that. And this one I think is free, so it's on the free slot. I managed to get the free slot, so you can use these. And yeah. Yeah, if you want to scare a data scientist, ask him or her to code in C. Well, yeah, ask anyone to code, well, any non-C, non-Rust developer to code in C, and like, they're gonna ask why. Why you doing like this? Not cool. Alright, so we're not going to raid just yet. I need to prepare for this. So I'm gonna speak aloud. But it's called yes, son. Kinda. Can't do it, it's just a lot of tears. Yeah, and it requires a kind of brain that I can't have access to for very long, I guess. Alright. Okay, nerds. Right. So I was talking earlier, I don't know, I think Strands only was there. This is the current state for me to build games. So when WebSockets are involved, I have to do this. So the front end, mostly, like every front end I'm gonna build are going to be with Nuxt for the foreseeable future. It's not worth using just the Vue CLI at this point. So I have a front end which works fine. It's hosted for free on Netlify. It's decent. I don't want to change whatever. But Next.js is the best. Yeah, not for me, because I don't like the way React works. Although I need to check, maybe it's tolerable now with their compiler. Anyways, yeah, working with Nuxt for the front end, all the good stuff from Next.js, and the back end. No, that was sarcasm. I know, but I played along, you know. Yeah. So then, because Nitro doesn't support WebSockets, if I'm not mistaken, they are mostly, Nitro initially was based on the Cloud Functions model. So it receives a request, wakes up, processes it, and then goes away. Yeah, H3 is the part of the architecture behind, right? No, but the model it handles is like, you get a REST request, it processes it, and then you don't have a running app. It's not like an app that keeps running. Like, it's not like you have a VPS, you have Node.js running there with PM2 and yeah, Lambda style, exactly. I think they were built like on that model predominantly. That was their main focus, but now they're bringing WebSockets to Nitro.js, and Nitro.js is what powers the backend part of a Nuxt project, which means that instead of having these two now, well, I could technically have that hosted on Railway, but I need two apps, right? I have to drop now, guys. Thanks a lot for the fun games, and many thanks for the hosting. Of course, my pleasure. You're welcome anytime. The next stream for sure is going to be on Thursday. I'm gonna see if I have other streams on Tuesday and Wednesday, but yeah, Thursday we have the meetup. Please come up by. If I see you in the chat, I will yeah, you can post your message again. I will ask around. We'll have more people most likely, and well, more chances to get you to a job in Mauritius. Crossing fingers there. And yeah, see you very soon. Thanks for hopping by. See ya. Okay, back to the current state of Trivia Games. Right, so Nuxt on one side for the front end, the back end, as I need an app that handles WebSocket. I'm gonna have to go soon to pack my bags and have dinner. Got a lot of swag stuff in my suitcase. Nice. Enjoy. Cool. So I'm gonna do that with Sun, if you're still around. We have a few more viewers, but they are shy, or they don't have an account. I don't know. if you're watching this and you haven't said anything in the chat, please just say hi, say what you do, don't be shy. It's all fine. Okay. W. Yep. So, yeah. I needed an external backend. I couldn't use Nitro because it doesn't support WebSocket. Like, still officially it doesn't, but it's coming. Right? It's in Nightly. Now I can build the game we played in just one project, and I host it obviously on Railway because for now Netlify doesn't support the model that's needed to run WebSockets, even on their functions. Apparently they're working on it, and we can have a look at it as actually Nitro.js. WebSocket. Right. Am I? No, okay, cool. So the documentation is quite minimalist, but it's fine for now, I think. And yeah, it's experimental in Nitro, so when you're using it, even in Nuxt, you have to set the config like this for now. And you have to install the nightly, I think. Let me open up VS Code and show you what I have in the package JSON. So, yeah. I broke le risque 2. It's not fully functional anymore. Well, it's mostly functional, but I think you can't like actually finish the game. Anyways, but as you can see, I don't need a workspace anymore. I just have the project, everything front end here, and then everything server here. One thing I would give as feedback is now in Nuxt, it would be interesting to have like a client folder and then a server folder. That to me would be interesting. Anyways, I have the API here, the most important folder where everything happens. The rest is like helpers, controllers, and utils. You get the idea, right? So we have the game, which is like the classic routes. In Nitro.js, it's file/folder based to get the name of the routes. It's just the details. Right, but we have the different routes here. So I do have REST calls when I'm building the game and all that. I do have that. So this is the classic. And then for WebSockets, the name doesn't really matter, I think. I forgot where I registered it, or it's just registered and it runs. Yeah, because... yeah, let's close the imports. Still a work in progress. There's some mess there for the typing and all that. Yeah, so let's see. Here we define an event handler for classic route, but for WebSockets, you define a WebSocket handler and you have an object with different hooks. I forgot the how they name these. Yeah, I forgot how they name these, but essentially like hooks or whatever. Let's call them hooks, right? You have an object, you define when what happens when a connection gets opened, it's closed, when there's an error, and where the meet happens when there's a message. I was using socket.io, so the advantage with socket.io is that I could have a callback in situ. So, wait. Can error reporting be included in this? Something like Sentry at the socket and socket event loop level. As in production, it'll be super complicated to know how many are open at a given time. Yeah, so I I don't know if the API is fully complete. Maybe things are lacking there, because I'm working on Le Risque 2, which just has a connection between like the game host view and the game host view and the public screen. Yeah, I was looking for the name. So it's just two connections to the server, and I'm gonna see how that goes. I have most of it covered, but to know how many peers are connected, it's even hard to know. I guess there's something like with the topic that I could reverse or whatever, but the API for now is super light. So what I would like to know is if I could wrap some kind of socket.io or other library, because I think there's some kind of adapter or something. I don't know. Obviously I need to read more, and they have an example, but which is not like the most useful one, I guess. Chat them. Yeah, they have this use source on GitHub. Let's view their code. Server, API, chat service. On open, you see peer subscribe. It subscribes to a topic. I just give it the game ID. But then they don't do much with it. So this demo is like really limited. This is the classic, right? There was something somewhere where they mention adapters or something, or maybe I dreamt about it, I don't know. Fetch. Use a client to connect to the server. Okay. Using cross, yeah. So yeah, there you have a little bit more info. It's still in development, so it might change. Runtime agnostic. Yeah. Lightweight, developer friendly. Get started. Now you see the docs. Pretty much the same thing, right? Yeah, those are hooks. Okay. Hooks. The peer object. So you can send. There's an address, ID, etc. Ready state. Context is kind of huge. Subscribe. Yeah, this one sends. And that one subscribes. Okay. And subscribe, publish. So you can broadcast to everyone. But there's no mention of, you know, on a certain topic, how many sockets are connected. So the ping thing that I do, I don't know exactly how I'm going to do that. I need to rework it. Yeah. So it's kind of a basic API. Maybe I need to rebuild many things there. When increase WebSocket with large, it's often needed to dynamically route. Okay. Hooks based on URL, blah blah blah. I don't know. And you know, maybe I'm doing it wrong. I should do something different. No expert there. Adapters, yeah. Specific, blah blah blah. So yeah, these adapters are all related to the different platforms, not packages and all that. So we'll see very soon. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to have in the presentation yet. Definitely an overview. It might be a little close to a tutorial, but not like, I might like skim through it. Like there might be, if there's time, I'll have like an intro. I'll have this context, explain that, right? Show a little bit of the structural changes from two projects to one and how it differs, the pros and the cons. Because if I open this workspace and I go, oh, but I'm still on main, so damn. In game, I don't have like the older code, I think. That's the thing. In game. You see here, the code is not fully updated yet, right? So what happens is that when I had socket.io, I could send a message on a specific well, like send a message with this string. I'm lost in terms of terms at this point, right? So yeah, let's say you send an event, right, through the channel, through the topic, which would be the game. Simplify that. You give it some data, right? And all that, and at the end you give it a callback. So you don't need an event, like a separate event, but now I do, because where is it? Yeah, you need to watch stuff. You need to watch the status. The API is like completely different. On open, you can do things, right? And now I do have like a get dash, which is a prefix on a name, init data, that code, and then you watch the data value, which is provided by this. But this is from view use, so maybe I could use something different. I don't know yet. Maybe instead of use WebSocket, I could use something different. There should be some subscribe thing going on instead of watch. Yeah, that would be great. But it's, you know, it's this library that I'm using, subscribe, and I followed the, you know, follow the tutorial from the video and see where that leads me to. But yeah, again, here I could have like a different adapter. Front-end WebSocket client. Library. Yeah, raw dogging it. Okay, let's check your video. Yeah, exactly that one. Yeah, that's the one I used. That's the video, right? But I don't think it talks about subscribe on the front end, or maybe I missed something. He does watch on the front end? Yeah, pretty sure he does watch on the front end. But he does that because, again, of use WebSocket. Meetup 4. React use WebSocket. Socket.io, right? Socket.js. And WS is highly scalable, fast, etc. etc. Okay, on open, on message, yeah, it's the same stuff. Oh, but it's just like, yeah, it has the concept of on message, right? But maybe that's better, like that's a better API. It's not subscribe, but it's the same thing, you know, still like stream/event based. Because open is a function. Yeah. This is to open the connection if it's closed. Send, well, you send something. And then you have to watch data. But I guess that's very Vue.js like. And in that case, I don't like it that much. So I might change there. I don't know. Is there an on function you can extract? No. Nope. Oh, you mean maybe on data? No, it's data. It's like it's a ref. It's essentially a ref. And they expect a string or something. Yeah. So that's one of the rare cases where I might not apply something from Vue use, you know? I don't know. But yeah, for all of the others, the API I assume is very similar. You know, yeah. On error, on message, on open. It's very close to socket.on open, on message, on close. I guess it misses on error. So yeah, no, there's no on function we can extract on the use one. So socket.io. I guess I won't be able to use the full power of socket.io, but you know, I might still stick with it. Yeah, that's the beautiful part about socket.io. This callback, that's my favorite thing about them. Well, one of them. Manager.connect, and then you give it a callback. Yeah, they don't talk much about callbacks actually. Yeah, there. You see? There's an on message in the... Okay. Like that. No, for the messages themselves, it's okay. Well, yeah. No, wait. Is there one? No, after the URL? What do you mean? Can you send me a link? Yeah. Opening it on the other computer. Type declaration. Yeah, but I don't know how to use it then. Don't know how to use it. Export. Oh, it's in the options. Yeah. So that's what you meant, right? Oh, on error, etc. Unconnected. I see. Yeah. So instead of extracting these, you connect everything. Yeah. That would be ugly, but we can extract the functions. Unconnected, disconnected, etc, etc, etc. Yeah. But the part I'm missing anyways, it's not with regards to the API design itself. It's this callback stuff. You see, here on hello, so on the server, right? Let me close that. Let's see, connection is open now on hello. You have a handler, right? This is the handler. You can process stuff, and then you can run a callback, which actually sends, if I recall well, it sends it back to the client. So the client emits on the event hello, right? So you emit hello on the client, on the server. On hello, you receive it in the aux. You receive world in aux, and then still on emit, you give it a callback, right? Which here is just a response. But when it's the server is done here, it runs a callback. Like it executes the callback from the front end, essentially, from the client. And I think pretty much it returns it here as an argument to the callback. So let's say I answer, like on answer, my answer. Once I get the answer, if it's validated, if I have points for that, I can handle that here and update the UI directly. But now with the more traditional WebSockets APIs, I can't. Get init data. If I find init data, I do need to get like a get and reply, and I think the naming is terrible. Now that I think of it, like after a few days coming back to it, the naming is terrible. Like, so you see, you have double the amount of events to handle now, in a way. So you send something, forget about it, and it's handled somewhere else in your code. Or I have like a watch. If we're talking about Vue.js, I have a watch each time I send this. So this is terrible in terms of Vue.js, so I'm not going to do that. If I'm still using Vue use or any other kind, it will still be handled in onMessage. So the design won't change much, you know? Instead of onMessage, instead of watch here, I would have onMessage, and I would still filter the name of the action. So I don't know, I need to get used to that pattern. It's not fun, it's not as easy to follow and debug. Maybe I will find something good. Big cons folder. Yeah, the actions, I can have like a, early Vuex and all that. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. You know, yeah, WebSocket's pretty much like a Flux pattern, but it was good with socket.io that I could have like this callback stuff. So I don't know, maybe they're just allowing for WebSockets, and at some point they would allow third parties. But for now, I have to forget about that and do some good engineering work to help myself have that done in a very manageable way. My issue is really not with the strings. Well, although I did get a few issues, like one issue when I spent too many minutes figuring out that I had the wrong URL, but that's not the thing. The thing is that it's really scattered. Like here is where I handle the reply, get init, yeah, there. Right, so line 166, line 207, the completely separate stuff. It's super frustrating, just saying, when you come from socket.io and you have made use of fallbacks. But yeah, so now you send, you forget about it, and you handle everything. Yeah, I guess I'm just whining at this point. And I should get used to that pattern, because it seems like most other libraries other than socket.io don't do that. Socket.io, you should sponsor me. You should, if you're watching. I doubt it, but you watch my streams. I use a lot of WebSockets, in a sense. And yeah, I still don't want to use like a service ably, because I want this to be able to run on one machine locally, and you know, having my own router and all that. I get super excited when I think about these stuff. Like I could buy like a small box and like a tiny router. I can stick everything together and all that. Yeah, exciting. Stick that at the back of a TV. A TV would have a mount and all that, and I could just get anywhere there and we could play, and I distribute tablets and all that. Yeah, cool. Okay, so maybe I need to do some reading on WebSockets and how to design code with regards to WebSockets. So to recap, and then we can raid people. I can show, well, yeah, wait. I start with this, right? This is the current state. The good part is I get this. So it's non-negligible, neglectable, it's the word. It's very important, it's very useful. So instead of having 6 projects for 3 games, I have 3 projects for 3 games. It's amazing. Also, Nitro is said to be faster than Express. And the structure is simplified for me in terms of like structuring stuff, so it's good. Now, when we get to the design of stuff, I'm going away from Nitro WebSockets. Oh, maybe I can include that in my presentation as well. I don't know. Okay, yeah, dev. So okay, it works on Bun. It works on Node, like Node server, Node via WebSocket export. Okay, Node cluster doesn't support it. I don't know what Node cluster is. Deno deploy, Deno server supports it. Nice. And all of these are not supported yet. Yeah, Winter.js. Zerber, I don't know what that is. Verso Edge, Verso Lambda, Stormkit, I've heard of it. Yeah, Netlify, Edge and Netlify Lambda is not supported yet. I don't know if it will be. AWS Amplify, Firebase, etc, etc. Right. But yeah, still, I deployed that on Railway and it works. Well, does it work today? Does it work today? Let's see. Cloudflare could replace your Netlify stack. Yeah, I just need to get used to it. But wait, it's not supported yet on Cloudflare, right? Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, I just need to get to know this. I don't know if it's more expensive or something. I don't know. So then I would have just Cloudflare, right? Like Cloudflare. Oh, you can run like is a worker free? Like Pages, of course, I would expect that to be free because Netlify is free for that. At least the basic stuff that I need, it's free. But Cloudflare Worker, you're telling me that could be for free? On Railway, I have like 8 gigs of RAM per instance, per project. But yeah, I should definitely push myself to get into Cloudflare. But Railway has been really good on me, so yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so I talk about this, you know, probably will have questions from their blog. Okay, let me check. Okay, I should copy that, open that here so everyone can see. No imitations. Yeah, but oh, CPU 80 seconds per invocation. And what about RAM? How much RAM do I have for like the free tier? You let me know. So I explained the situation. I give a hint of how to, like a brief of how to activate that in Nuxt WebSockets. I mentioned that it's not available everywhere, only in certain amount of places, right? Then I explained the caveat with wait, let me check that. Micro WebSockets or whatever. Right. Then I explained that I used to use socket.io, but I'm moving away from it, and the design is a little bit weird. Well, not weird, less fun to use. And then I can go to the project and show that it's a one-stop shop. Oh wait, it's not that VS Code. Oh yeah, it's just... I can essentially show that. So I would have potentially screenshots of many stuff. I'm gonna have to find a way to nicely explain the code differences and all that. And one thing you have to know, son, in advance, it's nightly, yeah, package. Next. Yeah, son, I'm doing this. This is super important. I need to include that. So we are pulling the nightly, so the latest nightly version of Nuxie. Well, it's not Nux Nightly, but it's the Nuxie part which is important. And yeah. So if you do P for PNPM, Y Nuxt Nuxie Nux Nightly. Yeah, I'm on Nux Nightly. Nux Nightly 3.11.1. Yep. Nuxie Nightly. Yeah. Same thing, I guess. Yeah. 3.1, 3.11. Essentially. So it's, let's say it's not production ready yet, and when you save, well, my experience has been on a big enough page when I save, like with the hot reload and all that, it can get into an infinite loop, or maybe my design is poor. Like I'm socket.io assisted guy, and it did even more magic than I thought. But yeah. Copy link, and let's see that. Wow, yeah, that's, well, I mean, if it's per project, thing is with JavaScript and Node.js and all that, you consume so much RAM compared to other software. So because of my skill issue, I can't really do anything about it. So it's good too. What? What's up, Railway? Hello? Railway, are you alive? Okay. Yeah, so... yeah, well, that is fine, but the RAM is, like... I'm not sure. Okay, this is not working, man. Let's check a different project. All Railway is dying. All my connection is dying. Is my connection dying? I'm refreshing. With Express won't be enough. For Nitro might be more than enough though. Yeah, I need to see that. I need to see that. So it seems like Railway is experiencing some issues, I guess. Le risque tout. Okay. Metrics. Yeah. Railway is getting whatever you said, man. Seriously. Okay, so the base load is like, okay, it's less. Ah, yeah, because it's, maybe you think it's because it's Nitro? I don't know. Let's try. Is this thing even gonna work? Posted. Generate the names, right? Okay, what I can do is have that like squashed here. It's 11 AM, yeah, okay. That, like that. Music, views, sports, making, next. This is expensive to run. 5 requests each time. But yeah, that should take 20 to 30 seconds to generate stuff, and then we'll see. Meanwhile, okay, yeah, that was quick. So yeah, it's still low. Okay, here you can regenerate one batch of questions at a time. I know the UI stinks. A bit of pretty stuff from last year. Start game. Oh, and it's breaking already in prod. It's breaking already. I don't know if we'll have time to debug that. Okay, what was the issue? Yeah, okay, no. Am I having the issue I had in dev? Am I having that on prod? It's not working at all. Okay, go back to that screen. Network. Start game. WebSocket pending. So it stays pending. Yeah. Some security issue, I guess. Anyways, I'll have to fix that. I don't know if I use that for the demo. If I get the time, I'm gonna use that for the demo. Else we have WebSocket test, where let's say I open, just to be clear, I open like a separate one, like a different browser. Okay, maybe I should, okay, like this. This I minimize. Can have this like that. Trying to use tiling. Trying. It's not working great. Okay. That, so I copy that link, paste it here. Yeah. Yeah, it's not working on prod. So I need to figure that out. But if I just run the project, dev, come on, open yourself. Well, yeah, I'm gonna stop this. Is it working? Yeah. WebSocket test. Yeah, on local it works. Firefox. Right, not now. There. Server connection open. Test. No, it's completely broken. Too bad. Too bad. I don't know what I got wrong, but I'm gonna fix that. Maybe I'll stream tomorrow again, and we'll see. Yeah, it's supposed to work. Yeah, but the good part, I guess, is that it stayed around 50 megabytes. So that's impressive, especially compared to Express. I could show you quickly other apps, or maybe I'm just wrong on this. Let's say this is Fastify. No, this would be Express. Metrics, we used that one. Yeah, okay, but it's not the same workload and all that. But 300, man. For the quiz we played with a few people, and it stays up, so my code is terrible. Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to use that much resources. If I restart it, I want to see the metrics when I restart it. I think restart does nothing. Yeah, successfully redeployed with 300 megs of usage. So you deploy, so your redeploys are fake railway, I think. I'm not reading the stats well. So we're going to redeploy it. So it's redeploying. Let's look at the metrics. It should drop or something. But it should change the value, increase or decrease, but or is it just during the runtime and it's stitching it together? Oh 07. Okay, so it should take like at least a minute. So yeah, it's dropping now. Cool. Okay. Can I make this faster or something? No, I can't. Okay. Let's see how much memory it uses when it just spins up. And just for info, son, billing. This has been the billing. Yeah, it's increasing almost ever since, but I have more and more apps. That makes sense, right? So you pay $5 a minimum, right? And memory per container 8 gigs, right? And 8 vCPUs, shared hard disk 100. That's all right. For my apps, I don't need more than this. When I need more, I guess I use Superbase and all that. Anyways, this is per container. If I go back here. So my understanding is that this gets 8, this gets 8, this gets 8, etc, etc, right? And that's for $5. And then they get you on the memory usage. Well, let's not leak anything there. Oh, it doesn't have any the details there. Okay, if I yeah, can't make that dark, right? But it's the memory by far that costs more. It's memory that's filling it here. So you see there's a subtotal of 22. It waives the $5 fee and total juice that. Yeah. Usage by project. So the highest usage, I think it's in order of usage, and the highest is of course, that makes sense. The bot is super expensive as well. So if it supports TMIGS as well, that would be super interesting. Else I would have to build something else. Yeah, I don't want that. I need to research. Like, if I can have that integrated into Twitch things, that would be great. That would be great. But yeah, let's see the usage. So you see, son, it booted at 200 megabytes of RAM usage. It's doing nothing, and then it's stabilized at 150, 155, 56. It's crazy. Maybe I'm doing something wrong there, or maybe the frameworks I'm using just consume that much resources. And last one I would like to check, which is build on Fastify. Where are you? Game night, yeah. metrics. Yeah, that one is more reasonable, son. It's at 100, but still, twice the Nitro one. The one that runs both the front end and the back end. Well, the front end is mostly static, but still. Interesting. And RAM usage is money, so yeah, if I want to scale something and still use JavaScript on the back end, well, I know I have to be careful. And yeah, 50, yeah, we'll see. We'll know when we convert stuff. All right, that's enough for today, and I'm gonna recap again. Okay, I'm gonna try Cloudflare. No match round, etc. Oh yeah, that's the parsing issue there. That's why it didn't work. Okay. So to recap, I can maybe start explaining a tiny bit what WebSockets are in like 2-3 sentences. Then I explain that. Then I say why that is awesome. I go to, yeah, Nitro, explain a little bit of what Nitro is, Nitro Nuxt, how to enable WebSockets, experimental, talk about the package JSON, right? Yeah, there. Talk about that, like mention that, and then show the base, right? It's just this. And then I give the example that I've chosen on the front end for that. And yeah. So if I speak last, we can finish my session and then we can play Le Risque Tout, something like that. There. So we'll have 2 of you. I would need 2 more players and we can have like a 30-minute session of Le Risque Tout instead of what? 2 more, so that all 4 of you join the call, the Discord voice channel, and I can talk to you directly. So you can pick the answers and all that. It's gonna be the first test on my channel, I guess. First test with a decent audience, like more than 2 people, I guess. Like enough player to actually play the game. That's what I meant. All right, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna whine about Socket.io or whatever. Maybe it's going to be an optional stuff. All right. Thanks everyone for joining. We are going to raid a channel now. So let's see what we have. Directory. Not just chatting. That's for sure. Low to high, as usual. Let's pick something. Butt of the Spectre. Making video up for kick on Twitch. Smart or not? Development practices, what? Music and ambience, okay. Oh, that's too many viewers. Okay, maybe we raid that channel. Okay, we're raiding that channel. Akori. Thanks again for joining. See you on the other side. We're raiding with one viewer. Hello, one viewer. 2 viewers, let's go. Let's raid now. See you there. Bye.